morning. Good
Good,
afternoon.
good morning.
Good afternoon. We are
Good
live.
evening.
Look at that. Si Cheryl made it.
Wow. Kasi
Hello.
nakaumaga siya.
Yes, for my break.
Good job. Yes, nakahabol. Ayan, magandang araw po sa ating lahat. And we're back again for our episode 7 sa ating episode natin for today. How our business model supports busy people. So, ayan, paano na sinusuportahan ng ating online business ang busy people. So, hindi po kami just a recap, hindi po kami nakapag-live last week dahil nga po busy. Alam niyo naman po, marami po tayong mga pinagkakabalahan ngayon. Ako po ang yung host for today, Malu, and I have here the beautiful ladies, my co-hosts, Sis Edita, Sis Liza, Sis Cheryl, and Sis Faye. So, iba-ibang po yan, iba-ibang bansa. Meron tayong from UK, from US, ayan, and also from Canada. So, ano pong pinagkaabalahan natin last week? Sis Edita, what were you busy with last week?
Yeah, I'm busy. I'm working, at home. Obviously, cleaning, cooking.
Yes.
Yeah.
What's keeping you busy then, Ate Liz?
Yung busy working kasi full-time rin ako, tapos mga household chores rin, mga bata, mga teenagers, ang dami nilang kailangan. My gosh, the life of being a mom with teenagers.
Yes.
It's not easy for tapos yung mga nag-aano ng mga, syempre yung mga sa Christmas.
Totoo yan. Dapat ready na. Yes, Sis Fe, ano pong natin last week no hindi tayo nakapag-live?
Actually, sasali sana ako last week kaso lang na-postpone.
Oh yeah, na-postpone po. That's true. And Sis Cheryl, I'm glad you were able to join.
Yes, good afternoon po sa inyong lahat. Yes, sorry po kasi nandito ako sa work. I'm on my break at the moment. And I've been busy at work as well. Kasi medyo malapit ng Christmas, maraming nagkakasakit. So,
wow.
Yes.
Of course, lahat naman tayo busy. Sino ba ang hindi busy sa mundo ngayon? Kahit na may work ka man or wala, I would consider na busy pa rin, di po ba? Kahit na tambay or kahit anong busy pa rin. Kasi kung hindi ka na busy, ibig sabihin, patay ka na, di ba? Tigok na. Hindi busy talaga. Kasi kung kahit wala kang ginagawa physically, yung utak mo, nagta-travel pa rin. Kasi nga, di ba, ang dami mo din iisip. Kaya busy, considered busy pa rin yun. Tama po ba? So, ayan. So, today, gaano man kahirap yung pag-juggle natin, being a mom, sabi nga Ate Liz, she's a mom of teens, as professionals like sis Cheryl na salamat na nakapag-join ka kahit nasa work. Of course, you wanted to have, you still have the dream of growing your business. Pero, guess what? Hindi po kayo nag-iisa dahil today's topic is all about how our business model supports busy people. So, let's face it, lahat naman tayo talaga ay busy, diba? So, pag-usapan natin ngayon kung paano nakakatulong ang itong model na to para mag-run yung business kahit trabaho ka, ano yung family mo at iba pang mga commitments. Because we believe that we had the right system and we don't have to choose between, yung pangarap mo and your responsibilities. Kaya, ayan, ready na po ba kayong makadiscover how you make your business work for you? So, enjoy this.
I would like to acknowledge rin kasi it really a good example itong topic natin ngayon kasi sis Cheryl, di ba? She's at work right now.
Yes.
And it's really good yung parang it just really shows itong business na ito, yung topic natin talaga ito, it's really angkop talaga kasi for busy people. And she's at work right now and it's also naisisingit niya yung business.
Totoo yan. So at least, di ba, may time pa rin siya kahit na nasa work, which makes her, able to balance everything. So, ayan, let's dive in, mga empowers. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's go. Kung mga ano nyo, how our business model supports, busy people like us? We'll start with Sis Edita.
Yes, how this business supports busy people like us. Yeah, guys, we have, this business runs on automation. So kahit na katulad kong busy ako, I'm working sometimes 6 days a week, 5 days a week, at saka long hours ako. So, I'm not really worried about my business because it runs 24/7. At saka, yung training, pinaka-the best dito, meron tayong training na, you cannot do it from scratch. Meron tayong training na accessible 24/7. At saka, yun dun sa training natin, yung iba na, hindi yung katulad ng iba na, sabihin nila na hindi ako marunong mag-English. Yung training yung pinaka-the best. Dahil may translation, may translation na kung may, halimbawa yung ibang Indian, pwede mo i-translate sa English, yung English i-translate mo sa Indian. So, talagang maganda itong business na ito. At saka, hindi, kung bago ka lang dito sa business na ito, you don't feel alone dahil meron tayong mentors, meron tayong coaches na tutulong sa atin. So, yun yung pinakamaganda dito sa business na ito.
Parang nasabi nyo na po lahat. Pero is there any example? Thank you, Sis Edita. Is there any more you wanted to elaborate more, Sis Liza, on your current situation, being a mom, busy mom, and busy nurse? How this business model supports you at the moment?
First and foremost, before I will start, kasi gusto kong i-ano muna, kasi I'm thinking si Cheryl, kasi how long is your break, sis?
Ano lang, sis, about, I've already done about 15 minutes.
Mag-ano ka na? You want to
Still
go
have
first?
to go.
Yeah,
Okay, sige. Let's jump into Sis Cheryl na.
Yes.
Thank you, Te.
Hello, yes. Good morning, good afternoon po lahat. Yes, ako po si Cheryl, and I'm here with other empowered women. And the topic for today is about being busy. We're still doing this business. So anyway, sa akin, it's automation. Using our mobile phones to do this business. And yes, it's automated. It's 4 hours. You don't have to worry about it. So nagagawa ko pa rin itong online business.
Okay.
So, I'm not gonna make it too long. I'll be back soon to work. Yes, thank you so much.
All right, thank you. Thanks for sharing.
Thank you. Yes, thank you.
You can go na kasi kailangan ka na rin siya.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you.
Okay. Let's jump back in sa'yo, Sis Liza.
Okay. Yeah. Kasi to think of na being a single mom, maybe a lot of people is saying it's really impossible for a single mom to have her own business, but this digital business has made it happen for me. At dahil the best thing that I can describe with this business is because of the automation. It's automated na already in place. So kahit na I'm so busy with my full-time job and running my household with my 2 teenagers, I can still run this business. Kasi nga because of the automation, it's running at the background. Even while I'm at work, even if I'm so busy, I know that my business is nagwo-work siya. Na it's not like the traditional business that you really need to be present physically on your store. Pero because of the automation and it's running at the background nga, kaya it's really possible for you to run for me to run and for anyone to run this business. And also kasi yung access niya 24/7. So kahit natutulog ka, yung store mo it's still open. So hindi kagaya yung traditional business, you have an opening hours, closing hours like that. Pero ito it's always open 24 hours kasi nga you are plugged in to the internet. So internet never sleeps, di ba? So yeah, so I choose this business kasi nga hindi ako magaling sa I'm not really good with public speaking or yung talagang mahihain talaga ako dati. And this business has done a lot for me on my growth and everything. And I'm still working on my confidence, everything right now. Kaya nga nag-join rin ako itong live stream kasi I want to improve myself also. And utang ko talaga ito yung aside from him, ito yung talagang nag-save sa akin. Itong business na ito. Dito ako nag-focus lahat-lahat. And nakakaano siya, kasi nga I choose this business kasi walang selling eh. There's no selling, walang pilit-pilit. You don't need to force anyone to have a look on your business kasi nga meron na yung mga naka-plug in is already 90% is all done for you already. At saka sabi nga natin kanina it's all automated and like hindi siya yung parang you don't make cold calls, you don't bug anyone, you don't need to do demos ba, yung ganon, yung nagde-demo ka, ayoko yung mga ganon. So this really the best for me as a single mom or any people na very busy sa kanilang buhay. At saka, especially, alam niyo yung ito, it's really very good for all full-time job kasi this is, while you are doing your full-time job, you are also building something for you and your family na you can also retire earlier in the future. So, and also you're building a good future for your children, for your family. And yung ang dami talaga ano ko sa akin in terms of my situation as a single mom. Maano siya alam mo yung mga 'di ba, yung mga emails, yung mga follow ups. Wala na tayo mga nun eh. It's all done for us. Kasi nga pag kahit nasa work ka, even if you're at work, yung back system natin, they are the ones who's doing it for us, sending emails, sending everything that our leads or customers needs. So what else do you want as kung naghahanap ka talaga ng good opportunity? So this is really the one. Ito talaga yung opportunity na hinahanap talaga natin. I know it's that's why one of the reasons why we are doing this live stream as well is to educate the public kasi digital business is really new for everyone. Kahit ako noon, hindi ko alam talaga ito. So it's really good that we tried to do this live stream.
Yes, that's correct. I do agree. Yeah. You mentioned automation a lot of times. Even his edita, pareho yung mention ng automation, which is really important, di ba? Kaya it saves a lot of time and effort sa atin, lalo na tayong mga moms and meron pa tayong mga work. What else can you add, Sis Fe?
Well, in today's fast-paced world nga, sabi nila, balancing work, families, and personal is very overwhelming, you know. I can't imagine all those moms that has a lot of kids, how they balance it, But with this model, the flexibility, the automation, it really helps big time because the flexibility, you can do it whenever you have time,
Yeah.
You don't have like flexible time that or regular job that you have to come in at this time, and this one you have all the flexibility and also the automation that it will run, at the background, whatever you're doing, something your business is still doing,
Yeah.
so it helps a lot for the busy people. And these days a lot of people like move into the online space.
True. Yeah.
We can imagine, even in the grocery, instead of having cashiers and like baggage, they do the, check out, counter that is, you can just do it, go straight there without having a cashier, and then the baggage people there. So it really like, the automation and flexibility of everything now is evolved. So it helps a lot to those busy people. So I guess that's it for me.
Thank you po, Sis Fe. I would like to add also, kasi na-mention din yata ni Sis Edita earlier about mentor. So having a mentor is really important pag busy ka. Kasi, let's say, lahat naman tayo may ka-chat. At some point, meron din tayong mga, di ba, meron tayong mga group chats at doon tayo nag-share ano mga experiences natin. So, napaka-importante din yung having a mentorship along with the training that we have, provided na lahat ng resources natin. So, wala na tayong hanapin pa. Just like what Atelie said, na we have someone who's already looking after our accounts, creating the content. Ang hirap pa mag-create ng content. So, yung mga newsletters or any e-blast na send out, sila na yung gumagawa. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-isip. So, parang relax ka na lang. Matulog ka lang dyan. Pag gising mo, meron ka na yung leads. Parang yun yung automation. So, ayun. Totoo. At yung laging sinasabi na accountability partner, napakahalaga din yung having someone at your side habang binibuild mo din yung itong kasi
lahat naman siguro talaga mahirap mag-build sa simula, talaga mahirap. Lahat mahirap. Kahit na mag-apply ka ng trabaho sa simula, mahirap talaga. So we have to really think about that everything starts, it's not easy. So
yes, pero with our business model, it makes it easier dahil nga meron po tayong mga tools, mga trainings, and mentors, and all that na tutulong.
Yeah, that's the advantage here. Yes, because we have the tools and trainings that given to us to make it easier for us.
For everybody to know as well, kasi nga, before I joined this business, kasi nga, diba, before, over the internet, nakikita ko na ito yung yung kay Warren Buffett, yung if you don't make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. Sabi ko noon, paano kaya ito nangyayari? Sabi ko, I didn't even know about all of this before. Honestly. Tapos nung nag-join ako ditong business nito, I realized this is the one that's been being said. Itong kay Warren Buffett, ito yung passive income. Very ignorant talaga ako nung kasi nga I've been raised, mostly lahat naman tayo. I've been raised sa isang family na yung parang you go to school, you finish your school, get a job, get a stable job, tapos and then work until you retire. Tapos hindi ko alam yan noon. Honestly, hindi ko alam talaga. Tapos ngayon, when I joined business, yun, na-realize ko talaga na it's really possible talaga na you can build your own wealth when it comes to this creating a passive income. Ngayon ko lang alam talaga na itong sinasabi ni Warren Buffett.
Yes, totoo yan. Okay, is there anything else that you wanted to add before we wrap up?
Yes, me, I'm gonna add something. You know, katulad ng sinabi ni Sis Lisa, 90% of this business is based on automation. So guys, 10% lang yung gagawin natin. 'Di ba? Napaka-easy, no? 10% lang yung gagawin natin.
Yeah.
So, yes. So, kahit yung mga busy, may mga anak na busy-busy sa family nila, na kayang gawin itong business na ito.
Kaya sa isang daming mga mommies, mga ano, di ba? Mga business partners natin.
Yeah, mostly sis talaga. Mostly talaga sis ang mga business partners natin.
Mga mommies.
Yes.
Mga mommies.
Mga full-time employee. Diba?
Eh, nasabi ko na ba sa inyo na hindi ako mami?
Ako din sis.
Wala akong kids. I'm not really blessed to have one, but I have so many kids back in the Philippines. It's more than what I have, my own.
Lahat naman po tayo extended family may anak na biological or hindi man, meron pa rin tayong kino-consider ng mga anak, diba? So thank you so much. What a powerful discussion today. Is there anything else you wanted to add?
Yes, before I forget, kasi I would just like to congratulate my mentee, my business partner from Canada, and she's my cousin actually, and she's right here right now, and her
congratulations, Sis Malo.
Congratulations!
Thank you.
Her business is booming. And she just started last week. Congratulations.
Yeah, tuloy-tuloy lang. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. We don't have to do it alone. Ang dami nating tools all over. Like, we have the right mentors, we have the right tools, and of course, kailangan tuloy-tuloy lang yung determination dyan to keep learning. And we need to build the life that we've been dreaming of. Kaya kapit lang sa mga goals. Ayan, so I hope sa mga nanood ngayon, ang dami nating viewers. Wow, ang dami-dami, million ng viewers natin. I hope this episode had showed na possible po talaga na, mag-run a thriving business kahit gaano ka-busy, and narinig nyo naman through automation, mentorship, and of course yung training, we can create the systems that work for you. So you can enjoy more time with your family and then focus of course on your growth, personal growth, and still achieve your financial goals. So kapit lang tayo dyan, parang mga sloth, holding on to it.
Yes.
Thank you so much for joining us today, mga ka-empower.
Thank you, ka-empower team.
Yes, if you found this
thank you.
Don't forget to like and share.
Yes.
Alrighty. Okay, this is the Empowered Women signing off. Until next time, stay empowered, and keep making your dreams reality. Yes, bye for now.
Bye.
Bye for now. Bye.